Everyone will be taking the paper strips like this and paste it on the sides of the box. Now take these wooden cardboard sheets and then we'll be pasting them like this around the box on the top of it to decorate it or just cover it like this. So keep rolling it as shown in the video in the same manner. Make the frills carefully one by one as we are making it. So here we have used double-sided tape to paste it. Now we'll be putting these strips over the top and the bottom and cover the cap as well. Now close it on the sides as well. Now using the nuts we'll be making its handle on the top and your beautiful box is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking a paper, draw the lines over it like this. So in the same manner, cut it out. Now after that, take a wooden cardboard sheet and then you have to remove its upper covering like this and then draw the lines like this as shown in the video with the help of a scale. Now cut it out in the same manner as shown in the video. So watch it carefully how we have cutted it. Now join them together like this. So press it and watch the technique how we have closed it from the sides. So put it one by one and press it like this and close it. Now after pasting it, you will get a basket like shape. Now take another wooden cardboard sheets and paste it on the sides and paper to make its handle. Make it like this and then you can put anything inside it and your basket is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be drawing the lines with the scale like this over a wooden cardboard sheet and then surround it around a round object like this or a cylindrical object. Cover it like this. So make the flower-like shape by rolling it and then we'll be pasting it like this on the top or just press it a little bit to give it a shape as shown in the video. So perform this step very carefully and then put it on the sides like this and it's ready. Next, take a cylindrical container like this of a transparent material. Now just put the thread or jute thread over it with the help of the double-sided tape. Cover it like this and it's ready. You can just decorate it like this again with putting a sticks like this. Take a stick, roll it and then make the plates over it. So as we make plates on the hairs in the same manner to make its handle. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a paper and then surround it with the jute thread like this on the sides and make a flower out of it. Put a stone in the between and surround it around the object or the basket like this to cover it and your flower basket is ready. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet and cut it from the between. Now you have to remove its upper covering like this. Now take the wooden cardboard sheet and fold it like this and draw the lines over another one and cut it out like this. Now after cutting it, join them together. So first roll it like this and fix the wooden cardboard sheet by folding it and fix the another one on the alternative sides. Fold it carefully as shown in the video. Now after folding it, you will get a beautiful shape like this. You can decorate it at your home to make a flower vase and look, it's ready. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet and then draw the lines over it like this and cut it with the thermocol cutter. Now after that, remove its upper covering. Now take a container and then roll the wooden cardboard sheet around it like this. Now after covering it like this with the wooden cardboard sheet, we'll be putting a light inside it or just fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.